Recently, I came across a new method online for jointing boards without a jointer, planer, table saw. Basically, without any of the tools we all bought specifically for this job. I'd never seen this method before, which already made me suspicious. So naturally, I had to try it. Here are two boards with a nice, honest gap between them. For this method, you need a perfectly straight reference edge. I decided to use my aluminum box level. It's straight, rigid, and unlike me, actually level. The first step is attaching sandpaper strips to the edge. I'm using double-sided tape for this. Ideally, the sanding surface should be at least twice as long as the boards you want to joint. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper and cutting it into 1-inch strips to match the thickness of the level. Now I'm carefully attaching the strips to the edge. Make sure they don't overlap. Even a small overlap will ruin the result. Each strip should end exactly where the next one begins. Next, I secure the level to the table so it doesn't move, and so the sandpaper face stays at a true 90-degree angle to the surface. Now I'm sanding each board edge individually. Partway through, I realized it was better to raise the board slightly above the tabletop. First, it prevents scratching the table. And second, it moves the sanding closer to the center of the level edge, which gives a more even, consistent result across the entire board surface. After about 10 minutes, I checked the progress. And honestly, I was surprised. The gap is almost gone. There's still a small one right in the center. But compared to where we started, this is already suspiciously good. To reduce the risk of the edge being slightly out of square, I switched to a book matching method. I flipped the boards, moved the tape to the opposite side, and sanded both edges for another 5 minutes. Let's check the final result. Honestly, this turned out very good. I'll definitely keep this method in mind. I think it absolutely has a place in the toolbox, especially if you don't have a planer, jointer, or table saw.